You wash your face every morning. You carefully apply cleansers, moisturizers, serums, and treatments. You avoid touching your skin. You buy products that promise clearer pores, less oil, and a healthier appearance. And yet, another breakout appears. Now imagine a human living thousands of years ago. There were no cleansers, no cosmetic laboratories, no dermatologists, and no bathroom mirrors. Ancient people were surrounded by dust, smoke, insects, harsh sunlight, and unpredictable weather. Their skin was certainly not flawless. But evidence from some traditional populations suggests that acne may have been far less common than it is in many modern societies. So what changed? The surprising answer may not be found inside a skincare bottle. It may begin with the food we eat, the way we sleep, the environment around us, and the invisible ecosystem living directly on our skin. What if modern acne is partly the result of ancient biology, trapped inside a completely modern world?
Most people imagine healthy skin as perfectly clean skin. But your skin was never designed to be sterile. It is a living ecosystem covered by bacteria, fungi, natural oils, water, and microscopic organisms. Together, they form what scientists call the skin microbiome. Some of these organisms help occupy space that might otherwise be used by harmful microbes. Others interact with natural oils and the skin's immune defenses. Even the bacterium commonly associated with acne can live on healthy skin. The problem is not simply the presence of bacteria, it is the relationship between oil, blocked pores, inflammation, hormones, the skin barrier, and different microbial communities. Your skin also contains a protective outer barrier. This barrier helps retain moisture while preventing irritants from entering too easily. Gentle washing can remove sweat, dirt, and excessive oil without destroying that protection. But repeated aggressive scrubbing may create another problem. Strong products, excessive washing, and too many treatments used at once can remove natural oils and disturb the protective barrier. The skin may become dry, irritated, and more sensitive. A person may then respond by adding even more products. The result can become a cycle: wash, irritate, cover, react, and wash again. Ancient humans were exposed to soil, plants, smoke, water, and a far wider variety of microorganisms. But this does not mean dirt automatically gave them healthy skin. Nor does it mean that people today should stop washing. The more careful lesson is that human skin evolved as a living surface, not as an empty sheet that needed to be sterilized every few hours. Healthy skin does not mean skin without microbes. It means a stable barrier and a balanced ecosystem. The modern goal should not be to destroy everything living on the face. It should be to remove what is necessary without constantly damaging the environment the skin needs to protect itself.
Now look beyond the surface of the skin. Modern humans consume foods that did not exist during most of human evolution. Sugary drinks, refined cereals, packaged desserts, sweetened dairy products, and rapidly digested snacks can enter the bloodstream quickly. When blood sugar rises, the body releases signals to manage that energy. In some people, these signals may also influence hormones, inflammation, skin cell growth, and the production of oil. More oil alone does not guarantee acne, but when excess oil combines with dead skin cells, a blocked pore, inflammation, and individual susceptibility, a breakout can begin. Ancient humans did not drink soda or eat packaged cake. They ate whatever their environment provided. Some gathered roots, berries, nuts, and plants. Others relied more heavily on fish, shellfish, meat, animal fat, or seasonal fruit. There was no single caveman diet. A coastal group ate differently from people living in forests, grasslands, deserts, or cold northern regions. But almost every ancient diet shared one important absence. Ultra-processed food did not exist. Ancient meals generally required gathering, digging, hunting, carrying, preparing, and waiting. Modern food can deliver a large amount of refined energy within minutes, often while the person remains seated. Research suggests that high glycemic diets may worsen acne in some individuals. Dairy products have also been associated with acne in some studies, but the effect is not universal. One person may notice a connection, while another experiences no visible change at all. This is why one food cannot be blamed for every breakout. Genetics matters. Hormones matter. Stress, medication, skin products, inflammation, and the structure of the pore also matter. A single piece of candy does not suddenly create acne, but a repeated dietary pattern may influence the internal environment in which acne develops. And that leads to one of the most important ideas in this video. The cause of a visible blemish may begin far below the surface, while the person continues applying more and more products only to the outside. Ancient foods also contained a different mixture of fats, fiber, minerals, and plant compounds. Coastal groups could obtain fatty fish. Forest groups gathered nuts, berries, leaves, and tubers. Other populations depended more heavily on meat, roots, seeds, or seasonal plants. These foods did not make ancient people immune to skin disease. However, many whole foods digest more slowly and provide nutrients within a natural structure. Modern ultra-processed products are often concentrated combinations of refined starch, sugar, salt, and oil. They are easy to eat quickly and difficult to stop eating. Some natural fats and plant compounds may support normal inflammatory balance, but they should never be presented as a miracle cure for acne. The strongest lesson is not that everyone must copy one imaginary prehistoric diet. There was never one universal ancient menu. The lesson is that ancient humans ate recognizable foods shaped by local environments. Modern humans can eat the same packaged product almost anywhere on Earth. Replacing some sugary drinks, packaged desserts, and heavily refined snacks with simpler foods may help certain people. But skin changes slowly. A new meal today will not create perfect skin tomorrow. The skin needs time, and every person responds differently. So what can a modern person actually do? First, keep skincare simple. Wash gently rather than aggressively scrubbing the face. Avoid introducing many powerful products at the same time. When the skin reacts, it becomes difficult to identify which product caused the problem. Second, observe dietary patterns without becoming afraid of food. Consider whether repeated sugary drinks, refined snacks, or certain dairy products appear connected to your own breakouts. Change one habit at a time and allow enough time to observe the result. Ancient humans did not possess perfect skin. They possessed ancient biology living inside an ancient environment. We carry almost the same biology, but surround it with refined food, artificial light, chronic stress, lost sleep, and endless products. The answer may not be more skincare or no skincare. It may be smarter skincare and fewer modern pressures from within. Which habit affects your skin most? Sugar, poor sleep, stress, or too many products? Share your answer below, like this video, and subscribe to Before Humans for the next ancient secret.